everyone, my name is Angie Benavente, your Silicon Valley Bay Area real estate agent. Does the latest news about the housing market have you questioning your plans to sell your home? If so, perspective is key. Here's some of the ways me as your realtor can explain the shift that's happening today and why it's still a seller's market, even during the cool down. Number one, there are fewer homes for sale now than pre-pandemic times. While the supply of homes available for sale has increased this year compared to last, we're still nowhere near what's considered a balanced market. Supply this year has surpassed 2021 levels by over 30%, but the further back you look, the more you'll understand the big picture. Compared to 2020, we're just barely above the level of inventory we saw then. And if you go all the way back to 2019, the last normal year in real estate market, we're roughly 40% below the housing supply we had at that time. Why does this matter to you? When inventory is low, there is still demand for your house because there just aren't enough homes available for sale. Number two, homes are still selling faster than more normal years. While homes aren't selling as quick as they did a few months ago, the average number of days on the market is still well below pre-pandemic norms, in large part because inventory is so low. Pre-pandemic numbers were higher than the numbers we saw during the pandemic. That's because the average days on the market started to decrease as the homes sold at record pace during the pandemic. Most recently, due to the cool down in the housing market, the average days on the market have started to tick back up slightly, but still far below from the pre-pandemic norm. What does this mean for you? While it may not be as fast as it was a couple of months ago, homes are still selling much faster than they did in more normal pre-pandemic years. And if you price it right, your home could still go under contract quickly. Number three, buyer demand has moderated and is now in line with more typical years. Buyer demand has softened this year in response to rising mortgage rates. But again, perspective is key. Getting 3 to 5 offers like sellers did during the pandemic isn't the norm. Prior to the pandemic, it was typical for homes sold to see roughly 2 to 2.5 offers. As the market heated up during the pandemic, the average numbers of offers skyrocketed as record low mortgages rates drove up demand. But most recently, the number of offers on homes sold today has started to return to pre-pandemic levels as the market cools from the frenzy. What's the takeaway for you? Buyer demand has moderated from the pandemic peak, but it hasn't disappeared. The buyers are still out there, and if you price your house at a current market value, you'll still be able to sell your house quickly. Bottom line, if you have questions about selling your house in today's housing market, let's connect. That way you have a context around what's happening now, so you're up to date on what you can expect when you're ready to move. If you know anyone looking to buy or sell in the Silicon Valley Bay Area, I am never too busy for your referrals.